Your doctor says your labs are normal, but you are still tired, anxious, bloated, or gaining weight. You are not crazy. You are just not being tested the right way. So let's talk about the labs that actually matters and what your symptoms are trying to tell you. Let's be honest. Your labs are normal might be the most frustrating phrase in modern medicine. Because if your labs are normal, but you feel terrible, something's clearly not normal. This is where functional medicine shines. It looks deeper. So conventional medicine versus functional medicine labs. Conventional medicine asks, are you sick? Whereas functional medicine will ask, are you optimal? There is a big difference between not dying and feeling amazing. Your thyroid, your hormones, your blood sugar, all of this can be normal, but still out of balance. For example, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, might be 4.0. Technically normal, but that can mean your thyroid is running sluggish. Or your fasting blood glucose might be fine, but your insulin is high, meaning your cells are already resistant. So yes, your doctor's right. You are normal, but functional medicine says you are not optimal. Now let's talk about the lab that actually matters. Here are the list of labs that can change the game of your health. Number 1, comprehensive thyroid panel. Not just TSH, but free T3, free T4, reverse T3, and thyroid antibodies. Number 2, metabolic panel. Fasting blood glucose, insulin, A1C, triglyceride, the full lipid panel. Next one is inflammation markers like high sensitive C-reactive protein, homocysteine, ferritin, maybe MTHFR gene. Number 4, micronutrient panel. Vitamin D, B12, folate, magnesium, zinc. Number 5, sex hormones like testosterone, free and total, estradiol, DHEA, cortisol level for both male and female. Can also test the cardiac marker like apolipoprotein A, lipoprotein B. Because your fatigue might not be from aging, it might be from low testosterone, poor thyroid conversion, or nutrient depletion. Why symptoms are the clues? Your body whispers before it screams. Fatigue, brain fog, bloating, weight gain, anxiety, these are not random. They are messages. Your body is trying to get your attention. Your body is trying to tell you something. Functional medicine listens to those whispers before they turn into disease. Let me give you an example. Bloating isn't just about food. It can signal gut dysbiosis or SIBO. Anxiety, often linked to low magnesium or blood sugar swings. Hair loss, maybe iron or thyroid issue. Every symptom is a clue. Functional labs goes beyond the numbers. They reveal symptoms. We look at gut health, stool testing for inflammation and microbiome balance, hormone rhythm, cortisol pattern throughout the day, mitochondrial function, organic acid testing, detox pathway, how well your liver clears toxins. This test doesn't just tell you what's wrong, they tell you why it's wrong. Why most people don't get this test. Insurance doesn't always cover functional testing because it's designed for disease detection, not for optimization. But here is the truth. Waiting for disease before you act is the worst investment in your health. Functional labs are the cheat code for prevention. Once you understand your body's data, you can actually make your supplements, your workout, your nutrient work for you. So if you are tired of hearing everything looks fine, maybe it's time to look deeper. Functional medicine isn't about more testing. It's about smarter testing. Get the right labs. Find the root cause. And start feeling like yourself again. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone stuck in the normal lab loop. And subscribe for more real evidence-based health content from me.